Alam mo kung anong gusto ko sa Pasko? Pera, sapatos, cellphone. Kala mo ikaw? Tanga kahit hindi Pasko gusto kita.
You have boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Honey, why you don't have? You look so pretty, like model, cheerleader, something pretty. You like long or short nail?
Short nails.
Oh, that's why you don't have boyfriend.
Panawagan ko sa nagmamay-ari ng sasakyan na may plakang PJ128. PJ128. Plaka na lang po ang natira.